Hello everybody, today I want to show you about how to download Netflix in your Nintendo Switch 2. Is possible? The ugly truth is that is not possible. I don't know why. Because you can see Netflix in your PlayStation 4, in your PlayStation 5, in your Xbox, in your table, in your mobile. Why we don't have Netflix in Nintendo Switch 2? Here have not for the moment YouTube or Crunchyroll, but his has YouTube, Crunchyroll, Hulu. Why don't have Netflix in this console? It's perfect for watch videos, okay? YouTube, Hulu, Disney, Amazon Prime, I don't know, whatever, doesn't matter. But why? Why Netflix don't want make this dream possible for us? Okay? Not is hard, it's easy, it's more money for day. I don't know. But the moment the Nintendo don't or Netflix don't say nothing about this, okay? But I think that maybe in Switch 1 no, okay? No. But in Switch 2 maybe it's possible that we can have the app this year lately, okay? Late. Okay, not the next month, ni the next 2 months, okay? Maybe November or December or the nearly 17, okay? The next year in February, January is possible, okay? But the moment is not possible that we can see Netflix in Nintendo Switch 2. Sorry for the ugly truth and have a good day. Sorry for my bad English. I know it's awful. It's more awful that we can see Netflix in Switch 2. Sorry, I'm joking. Have a good day. See you later.